Hi guys, my name is Roshni and in today's video, I am taking you along with me on my 2 day solo staycation trip to Karad and everything related to it. So keep on watching. I'm a little bit sleepy. I'm almost crossing Vashi and it's 5 a.m. I've been driving for like half an hour now. This is the self-drive car that I got booked from Rev. I'm very excited. All the solo driving, solo staycation, solo travel, solo peaceful vacation for myself. And it's 7:30 and I'm using my GoPro now. I've been driving like crazy since 5 a.m. in the morning. I have crossed Lonavala and now I am on Malavali road. It was very dangerous for me because it was all cloudy, so I couldn't film and I'm all alone. Till now I'm enjoying. More 212 kilometers to go to Karad and I'm a little bit sleepy and hungry also. I want to drink chai right now, so I think I'll just head to the next stop because just now the Ghat road has ended. So now I'll just look into the stop so that I can just have a garam chai to kick off this sleepiness. Yeah, so let's go. It was around like more than 300 kilometers from where I started from Sakinaka. So I've crossed almost more than 100 kilometers right now. So still 200 kilometers more to go. Pune still 56 kilometers to go. Sun has risen. Just had my tea over this, about to reach Satara and it's almost 100 kilometers to cover more. So far so good and it's going to be 10 a.m. Hopefully by 12 I should reach. थक गई हूँ, चाय पी के थोड़ा रिफ्रेशिंग मिल गया है. My final destination is reached. Finally, I have landed in Karad. So before you ask me that where is this Karad? Karad is located in Satara district of Maharashtra and Mumbai is 300 kilometers from here and Pune is 160 kilometers. It lies between Mumbai Goa route. Mahabaleshwar lies 100 kilometer ahead from here. So this is where the exact location of Karad is and I have just checked into this luxurious property called the Fern Residency located in Karad and I have just checked into this winter green room. The room is all decked up with green aesthetics and it's beautifully done. It's very good, modern, the ambience speaks modern and very compatible. Basically there are two kinds of rooms over here. One is this winter green room and the other one is presidential suite and there are only two suites over here which I will show you, give you a tour later. Right now I'm very hungry. It's past noon. I'm going to eat at its in-house multi-cuisine restaurant, so let's go. Starting with the starters, they have given me chicken seek platter, and this one is vegetarian spring roll. तो स्टार्टर्स तो आए ही आए, साथ में मेन कोर्स भी आ गए टेबल पे. दिस इज़ नवाबी चिकन, दिस इज़ घोस्ट, मटन घोस्ट, प्रॉन्स बिरयानी and raita, and here this is chicken boti kebab. It's all spread up. My table is all spread up, and all the plates are looking absolutely delicious. It's smelling delicious actually. I'm here for the lunch today at their in-house restaurant called Riverside, and look at my spread. The table is all loaded with all these amazing food. It's all making me more hungry. So the restaurant serves multi-cuisine food varieties. So they have given me chicken boti kebab. There is mushroom galati, as you can see. There is prawns biryani, there is ghost, ras malai in the dessert, and the Nawabi chicken, spring roll, and there is chicken seek. I'm very hungry, so I'm just gonna dig on each of the items because it's all smelling so good, and I'm very sure that these must be tasting absolutely delicious too. And from the mocktails, they've given me Blue Lagoon, and this is some lychee, starting with the chicken kebab. This is what suite room looks like that I told you earlier. There are two suite rooms only here. So let me show you this one. The room number is 221. Come on, let's go in. So as you enter, here is a huge living space, and it is all decked up with cute elephant tile sets. And there's this dining table over here. There's this vanity kit and all the decor items placed over there. Living space, there's this sofa set along with a TV. And what I love the best over here, let me show you. There's this private balcony that they've given to you in this room. For the breakfast, I have come to the in-house restaurant only downstairs, and for the breakfast there is buffet, and the cuisine is mostly English and Indian varieties. There was salted corn and peas. There's idli sambar, there's tea, coffee, upma, mashed potatoes, boiled eggs. From the live kitchen from inside, you can order for yourself pancakes, omelette, and dosa as per your choice. Well, I have taken this pancake. I can't wait to dig in. Hi guys, it's day two, and I had my buffet breakfast in the morning from their in house restaurant, and then I slept again. It's past noon actually right now, and I'm not even hungry anymore to have anything yet again. I'm currently working on my projects from my room. So, the agenda for today is I want to explore the property and also want to tell you how this property exactly looks like in a few moments later. So, basically, this hotel, the Fern Residency Karad, is a four-star business hotel and has 42 rooms, two suite rooms, and the rest are wintergreen rooms. This hotel has a clean and modern design and has swimming pool, gym, lawns, banquet, and restaurants. Caters to restaurant dining, in-room dining, and also for buffet breakfast. There is a lounge bar also called Tor. Also, you can dine in by the pool. For evening today, I will be dining by the pool. There will be a candlelight setup. So I'm really looking forward to and excited. So let's go. All set for the dinner by the pool. Setup is so cute, and I'm waiting for the food right now. And the weather is an unpaid artist because it's so pleasant and so chilly right now. It's giving all the ultimate feel, and I'm really looking forward for the dinner by the pool, and it's all set up for me. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Next I've got here is this grilled chicken topped with caramelized sauce. There's cheese, olives, and lot of boiled veggies with broccoli, corn, and bell peppers and peas. And also there are garlic bread. I have this white sauce pasta. looking so delectable. I've already taken one bite. It's so piping hot right now. And here is tiramisu cake. It is so hot. And here goes my first bite in front of you. Too good. The cake got so smoothly, so that means it must be amazing as well. Yes, Rinku, the restaurant manager, and Jagdish, the chef, who is helping me out with all this amazing setup over here. Thank you for this. बहुत अच्छा खाना है. Thank you, and thank you Rinku for the coordination since yesterday. And I'm loving this vibe over here. So अगर आपको भी यहाँ stay कर रहे हैं and pool side ऐसा setup चाहिए with you and your partner, then also it can be done up. मैं तो यहाँ अकेली हूँ और अकेले मज़े ले रही हूँ, अपने आप को pamper कर रही हूँ, of course with the help of hotel staff. So it's amazing. I ate so much and I'm full till here. That brownie literally killed me. It was so amazing, and the sweets I can't resist. If you know me from the start, you know me actually. It's only 10 p.m. and I slept for the whole day actually, morning till noon. So right now I'm not so much sleepy. I think I'll watch some TV and do some work on my laptop and plan for the upcoming days, because there are only few days left for me in Mumbai, and tomorrow I have to check out from here. And yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow. That was all about it of my 2-day solo staycation in Karad at this beautiful property called the Fern Residency, and it was one of the most beautiful and comfortable stays that I had lately, and I totally loved it. You call it food, you call it ambience, you call it atmosphere, you call the hospitality, you call the service, everything was amazing. The staff here is so helpful and so friendly, and I was alone, so they were so kind enough to help me around to explore the property. Even with the food and services, they were very kind enough and supported me as well about my taste and my preferences. So I totally loved my stay here, and it was a relaxed getaway for me also from the bustling city. And also I'm coming far away from Dubai and then Varanasi, and then I'm here in Mumbai for few days, so I just wanted a peaceful getaway for myself, and it was such a wonderful experience for me. And all the details about this hotel I will mention in the description box below. You can check it out later and let me know what part of this video you love the most, and any inquiry related to the safety, or if you're also coming in as a solo, then do ask me in the comments down below. Or otherwise, it's a good business hotel for you to have a comfortable stay over here. Mahabaleshwar is 100 kilometers ahead, and it lies on the way to Goa. So yeah, it's basically a very small village, Karad, which is and the property is located over here. Yeah, anything about the location, just drop a comment and I will be happy to help you out. It's time to check out. It's almost 12 p.m, so you know it's the checkout time here. And I had my breakfast in the morning. I had super delicious dosa with chai and some poha. So it was a little bit of a South Indian breakfast that I had from their buffet in their in-house restaurant only. And so yeah, जैसे आई थी अब मैं वैसे जा रही हूँ. The view is just amazing, surrounded by ghats, and the road is all clear. enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video.